Hey guys, I've got some good news. I've got a brand new traffic strategy that I want to share with you, and I'm going to do 2 free webinars, okay, next week, where we will set up a campaign in real time, and basically we're going to start driving traffic, and then we will come back 2 or 3 days later, and we're going to look at the results and how to optimize the campaign. Okay, so what we're doing is basically targeting users of other people's apps. Now have a look at the results in here, because this is kind of astounding to me, the numbers involved here. Because look, you can see here I've done a search using this brand new tool. It's called the Play Store Scraper, and with this tool I'm able to go and get a cloud view of all the results for specific keywords, and we can put multiple keywords in here as well, so we can do multiple angles all at one time. And basically what you can see is I've done a search for any apps that are about YouTube views, okay, and you can have a look in here. I've got this one, channel sub for sub, and it's got basically 5 million installs. That's 5 million people that we can target, because in Google Ads we are able to put the name of this app into a custom audience, okay, and we can use that custom audience for running YouTube ads, Google display ads, and Google search ads. Okay, so this is really powerful. It's almost like we're retargeting people who are using other people's apps. Okay, that's why I call OPA, okay, OPA hijack, so that we can basically target these. Now have a look at the next one down. It's got 1 million, and this is Boost Your Channel. VidIQ has got 1 million. Video Promoter Android app has got 500,000. You can see this has got massive potential, and it's really pinpoint accurate targeting that we can use. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. I won't keep this video too long, but I just want to invite you. It's free. The 2 webinars are free. There will be replays as well, so you can just sign up and you will get notified of the replay if you can't make any of the webinars. So all you need to do is just register, and you're welcome to come and join, and you will see me how I do this exactly, how I set this up, how we create the custom audience, and then we will drive traffic. We will create a live campaign. It's very easy to do. It takes about 10 minutes to set up a YouTube ads campaign, and then we will come back 2 or 3 days later and we will do a second webinar with the results. You're welcome to join. Click on the link underneath the video. Thank you.